Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is array index out of bound exception in Java. Java supports the creation and manipulation of arrays as a data structure. Arrays are massively used in programming as they provide very fast and easy way to store and access piece of data. The index of an array, that means this is called as an index of an array. The index of an array is an integer value that resides in the interval 0 to n minus 1, where n is the length of the array, where n is the size of the matrix. If we request for an index that is either negative, if you give negative here, or greater than or equal to the size of the array, then you will be getting array index out of bound exception. So it should not be negative, this index should not be negative, then this index should not be equal to the length of the string, and it should not be greater than the length of the string. The array index out of bound exception is a runtime exception thrown only at a runtime. The Java compiler cannot check or does not check for this error during the compilation of the program. I have written a simple program to generate this array index out of bound exception. Let's check this how exactly it works. So I have a string array here, okay, string array, and I'm going to access the length is 4. So what we can do is we can access 0 to 3. That's the formula, right? So 0 to, that's a important concept. So 0 to n minus 1. So 0 to 3 you can access. 4 you cannot access in a string array. So I have length 4 here. This is fine, and this is also fine, and this is also fine. This is very dangerous because I'm able to access all the letters. Okay, so we are already completed the accessing the array, but the moment you access fifth element, which is not available at all, so this is very dangerous, accessing the fifth element, so the nth element. So this will throw an array index out of bound exception. Can you see here, it is in the catch block. So we have caught the array index out of bound exception. So how do I avoid this? What you can do is please take care when you write the code, you check whether you check that you are not accessing the nth element, and you can also use array list to avoid this issue. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.